All right, this is going to be a tutorial to use the Impresa coffee machine descaler. I just use it on my Nespresso maker, and I just made myself a fresh cup of coffee. And I'm no longer getting that if it's a yellow and red or a green and red, whatever you want to distinguish, it's half and half. I went to the comments. Nespresso has provided a video. It's 5 years old. Went through the comments on that video, and either people are using the Nespresso solution, the Descaler, but I tried this one. This was $7.99 for a 1-pack on Amazon. It's all the same stuff. So, first of all, right here is 500 milliliters or 16.9 ounces. You know what, let me put that in there. So I got this. I'm gonna pour this, well, you're gonna pour this into your tank. Put that up top. You're gonna take your descaler, and this descaler, you get about 2 batches. It's an 8-ounce bottle. 4 ounces, and then use the other 4 ounces whenever you anywhere between six months to a year, or if not earlier, depending how frequent you use your Nespresso maker. Then you're going to take your 4 ounces of your solution, and you're going to pour it right on into your container. If you want to put the top on, whatever you want to do. Remove your current espresso pod. You don't need that in the machine at the moment. And just right after that, get yourself a Tupperware, a container, a bowl, or anything just to collect the water that's going to come out of the machine. Next, go ahead and press both the 2 buttons on top. Hold them for anywhere between 3 to 5 seconds, and you'll get the orange light. All right, this is going to be your option button, your select button. You're going to tap this once, and you're going to look for just a 1 flash. If you guys see that 1 flash. Okay. Next, just hit the top button, and it's gonna brew hot water, and it's going to discharge it into your cup or whatever you want to do. It's going to do cycles. You'll hear it humming. It's going to turn back on, turn back off, turn back on. Do that. And what's most important is to not fill up this tank. Whatever descaler and water that you put in previously, don't add anything else to it. So we're getting to that point where there's nothing left. Your Nespresso maker machine is going to recognize no more water. It's going to be dry. And what you're going to do is come back. We're going to fill up this tank all the way up. All right, we just filled up our tank. If you want to keep holding on to this water that's mixed with the solution from earlier, you're going to still get this continuous 1 blink. Now you're just going to just rinse the machine out now. Clean water, clean drinking water. Tap the machine, let that cycle. It's going to cycle on and off just like earlier, anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes. All right, we're at, I don't know, about 1 ounce left of water. Eventually the machine's going to recognize that there's no more water. Let's give it a minute. Something that the Nespresso video doesn't show you is how to get back to your regular brew settings. All right, it's recognizing there's no water. All right, next what you're going to want to do is you're going to hold it just like earlier. You're going to hold down these 2 buttons at the same time, press down, and then press the black button. By then you'll just have the yellow and red or green and red you won't have that anymore. It'll be a solid grain. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have it. Your light's green. Open it up. Pop in a pod. And then you're good to go. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. You guys have any problems, hit me up in the comment sections below. Your coffee maker is going to last you a while. Enjoy.